What is up everyone? In this video we're going to be showing you how to claim your welcome bonus on Justmarkets. So as of now, the $30 welcome bonus for new users isn't really available. So this bonus was actually previously offered to help new traders get started. But from what I've seen, it seems like it's no longer part of their current promotions. But don't worry, Justmarkets also has some other pretty attractive bonuses you might also want to check out. One of them that's currently available is their 50% deposit bonus. So the way this works is, if you have a standard cent, standard or pro account, you're pretty much eligible for this bonus. So for deposits as low as $10, you're pretty much allowed to get a 50% bonus on top of that. So for example, if you deposit $100, you'll then be able to get an extra $50 to trade with. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So here's how to claim it. So you simply have to log into your Justmarkets account, and from here, simply go to the benefits section. Then select available bonuses and click on deposit. So once you do that, a deposit form will then come up, and from there, you then have to check the box that says get a bonus on deposit. And that's it. So it's as simple as that. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.